Cooking with Coot. Hope y'all having a good day. What we gonna do today is we're gonna fry some ham chops. All right, so that's gonna be awesome. Here we go now. Woohoo! Yeah, now before we get started cooking and everything, here's what I want you to do. I want you to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification and the like button. All right, do that for me so that you'll know every time that I post a Cooking with Coot video. Yeah, no, don't forget to tell all your friends about Cooking with Coot. Yee-hoo! So what we got here is some ham chops. We call them ham chops. Now these right here, they say that they're pork chops that are hickory smoked, but we just call them ham chops. See how they're cured out like a ham? Woo, goodness, I tell you, they are so very good, and we're gonna fry these up in our cast iron skillet. So you all come on over here where the skillet's at. We got it preheated up a little bit. We're gonna pull it up here, let it get warm again on us. And of course, we're gonna use bacon grease, all right, because that makes your food happy to eat. Woo, it sure does. And you never put any meat in a dry skillet. We always wanna have some good, bacon grease in there. We want enough to cover the whole bottom of the pan. Get enough of that in there. So you know how we do around here, we swoosh it around real good. Yes, we do. That gets it all over the pan. Let it melt up here. Woo! I'm telling you what, the bacon grease smells good. Yeah, there we go. See it running in the pan? Yeah. Cover up all them dry spots that you can. Yeah, all right. We got most of them covered up. We're gonna go ahead and cook these up on high. Let that get good and hot on it. I like when you put your fingers and put that water in there, that it just goes boom, almost like an explosion or something. Yes, you want it good and hot. And another way you can test that is you can take these here and it's not sizzling yet. I'm gonna wait on it. Now you can see that oil moving in the pan a little bit. Yeah, we sizzling up good now. All right, and we just gonna put these in here now. You can get these two different ways. You can get them with the bone or you can get them without the bone. And I'm going to tell you, if you want them to taste good and you want the best that they is, get it with the bone in it. That's the best, all right? So we're gonna put these in here. See there how it sizzles up? Yeah, boy. We're going to do 3 at a time. We're not going to crowd that pan. These here ham chops, or these ham cured pork chops, whatever you want to call them, they are already fully cooked. We like to fry them up, get them nice and gold on, get them real nice and red. See this here bubble right there? Now you want these things to lay flat in the pan so they'll brown up on you good. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut him. I'm going to take and pick him up. I'm just going to cut that a couple of places right there. And see how he lays down flat now? Yes. Now, if you don't have you a pair of scissors in the kitchen, then I don't know what to tell you. You're just not doing it right. You got to go get your pair of scissors. Once you start using scissors in the kitchen, woo, dude, goodness sake, you're going to love using kitchen scissors. Yes, you will. We still got that skillet on wide open. We got that fire just as high as she'll go. We also using the big burner. Yes, that's right. We making as much heat as we can. Woo, yeah. We're gonna turn this skillet around a little bit every now and then, just so it gets hot on different kinds of spots and places. Now, while you're doing this, you can cook other stuff. Now, I'll tell you what we're doing. Sometimes we got leftovers, and I'm telling you, I like to take my leftovers sometimes and heat them up in the oven or on the stove. This here magic heating box, some people call it a microwaver. The microwaver, I don't like using the microwaver a whole much. I don't think it makes food taste good. It'll make it hot, but hot don't mean it's good. You know what I mean? It's good for some stuff. I'm just kidding with you, but I like heating things on the stove. You look right here what we're doing. We're heating up some beans. See there? We got us some bacon in them beans. We just let them heat up. Now them are leftovers, and there's only a few of us eating here tonight. All right, and so we don't need a whole bunch of them, but that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have us some mashed taters too. Woo, yes, we're gonna be eating good. All right. Get these things turned over. Woo, yeah. Now y'all remember these things are already fully cooked, so we don't have to worry about the internal temperature or nothing. We just getting them all flavored up here in this bacon grease. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out, and then we're gonna get ready to do the others. Look how pretty. Wow. Oh me, oh my, look how pretty that is right there. Yes it is. Look at this one. I think them two are twins right there. What you think? Yes sir. Them are good right there. Yeah boy they are. Now we're gonna put these up here in this magic heating box. It's a great place to keep stuff warm while you're cooking up the other ones. We're gonna throw them in the skillet here. I just use my hands, flop them in there good. Now this one's got a little bit of a thicker cut on it. I guess that was a new guy cutting that day. He didn't get it cut as good as the other ones. So we'll have to talk to Butcher Jim about that. Yes, we will. We want them all the same, don't we? I'm that way. I want them all the same. I know you probably that way too. Here comes back my robo mop. See there how he cleans that floor up? Look at him go. Yeah, boy. I'm telling you, that's the best robo mop I believe I've ever did see. You don't have to recharge him. He don't have no home base he's got to go sit on or nothing like that. He's just going all the time. He keeps it all cleaned up for it. Only thing bad about that robo mop is every now and then you get a robo mop iron your food. That ain't too good. No. Alright y'all, these two have gotten just about done. So we're going to get this nice plate back out here. We're going to put them off. Look at that right there. Wow. I'm telling you, that's pretty. It is pretty. And this big old thick one, it got done just right. Now you see, come in here real close. Let me get this up out of the way. If you see on this stuff right here, a little bit about, hey, how y'all doing? Come up close now. All right, see this right here? As you can see, they some caramelization. Oh, big word. Caramelization on there. And the best way to clean this skillet up after something like this is just go ahead and take you a cup or a pot or something. And you're just going to kind of flash steam this thing. And watch this here. See that? Pour that right in there. And when that starts bubbling up real good, turn it off. And you can leave it right there. It'll be okay. It'll clean right up with a brush. Ooh, y'all look at them ham chops, pork chops, cured like ham. I'm telling you what, they some kind of good. Now we're gonna add them over here to our other stuff. We got us some mashed taters. We got us some green beans with some bacon in there that'll make them green beans happy even if they didn't get in the skillet. No. And I tell you, let's try one of these to see what it tastes like. How about that? Let's cut a little bit of this off right here. Let's give it a taste and see. Mmm. Boy, I'm telling you, that's good. It sure is. Woo-wee! I sure wish you were on your way here to eat with us. We sure would have a good time. Well, I hope you learned a little bit about cooking these here ham chops. They're so good. They just fry up so fast. It only takes 10 minutes or so, and it really goes good with anything you got left over. It's a really quick supper, and I hope you get you some of these and that you folks are going to absolutely love them. All right, I thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me in Cooking with Coot Kitchen. Bye-bye. While we're waiting on one more to come and get ready to eat, I'm going to share a little something with you. Sometimes I like to play the saw around here. This right here is a hand saw. I don't like to use it to cut wood. I like to use it to make music. We're going to do something, maybe a little Amazing Grace. How about that? Y'all come get it. I don't have the lights on. Come up close now. Come up close now. Come up close now.
Show them a trick. Nope, you don't
doing this crap. Hey, so you're throwing up or what? My cooking made the dog sick. Whew, you all might not want to make this stuff. About made my dog sick, I think.